Hi folks, it's Robin Clayton and I want to welcome you back to my channel, Zodicatthefarm. I hope everybody's having a really good day out there today. So I am here today to present to you a 4-piece ensemble that I'm going to be working with. And let me go ahead and pick it up so you can see it. So it's going to be 4 pieces. This is quite a large piece. So I've got this red supporting plate. I've got this large yellow flower, then I've got this middle red glass flower petal, and then I've got this gorgeous orb that will finish it off in the middle. Okay, so I hope that you will stay with me because we're going to go ahead and get started on the items that you're going to need to complete this project. So the items that you're going to need will also be listed in the description of this video. So if you don't need to take any notes, they will be located there readily for you. The first thing that you're going to need are all of your dishes cleaned as you want them to appear upon completion. Make sure there's no grime, grease, or anything of that nature. You're going to need to have some gloves while working with the glass. You're going to need to have either a cordless drill or a drill press. I'm actually just going to be drilling the largest piece today on this video with a cordless drill because my drill press is only 12 inches, so this particular plate is much too large. And you're also going to need a screwdriver. This is a cordless screwdriver. It's a Phillips head. And then you're also going to need a toggle bolt. All right, that's what I'm going to be using to assemble. You're going to need to have some rubber washers. I'm not going to be putting a hook on mine today. I know that I normally do in videos, but I have something that I'll share with you in up and coming videos. I actually did do an installation. I had a lovely couple out of Fort Myers who actually bought my entire collection, and we did actually a wall install. So I will be putting that video together so that you can see how the installation occurred on the wall. But it was absolutely a wonderful experience. The flowers came out absolutely gorgeous, and I was just blessed to be a part of the entire collaboration. So, all right, so now that I've kind of got into that, we're going to go ahead and start with the drilling of the large piece, and then we'll go ahead and finish the assembly. Okay, so stay with me. All right, hold on. All right, so I've got my gloves. I've got a little bit of water here that I'm going to use. I've got my cordless drill with my diamond tipped drill bit. And the first thing that I've already marked my center. There's a big black mark right there in the middle. And I'm just going to put a little bit of water on here. And then I'm just going to take my drill and I'm going to start my drill at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to bring it straight up. Okay, I'm going to bring it straight up until I then pierce through the center of this flower. Okay, now just take your time, all right, go slow. As long as it takes, that's how long it's going to take. All right, don't force it. Let the diamond tipped drill bit work for you. Okay, so here we go. Taking it slow. So there's my hole straight through. Okay, All right, so now that we've finished the cutting stage, let's move on to the assembly. Okay, so here we are, and I've got my washers ready, and I've got my toggle ready, and I've got my plates ready. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up. I'm just gonna give it, since I've just done the drilling, I'm gonna give it a nice big and good clean. That way it makes it really shiny. Another thing that I do with my plates, or with these larger flower petals, is I actually spray them with a urethane, the front and the back, and that just gives them a nice sheen. I haven't talked about that in prior videos, but I generally do that just so that my flowers always stay shiny, and it actually preserves the color as well. Okay, so let me clean the back here real good. All right, so we're good to go with that one. Get the smaller one here. This is going to be the smaller petal. That will finish it off with the orb. And if you have any tags on it, like this one is Glass Eye. It was made by that particular company. And I always like to leave the tags on just so that you can recognize the artist. I think that's really, really important. And then I've got this large flower. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good cleaning as well. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flower, I'm going to turn it on its back, and as I said, I'm not going to be using a hook today. I'm just going to use my toggle, and I'm going to stick that screw right in just like that, and then turn it over. Then I'm going to take another washer, and I'm going to go ahead and put the larger piece on here. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to take another washer and stick that on. Just like that. And I think I'm going to put 2 on just because this is a really, really large piece. Okay, so there we go with that. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my supporting petal and stick that right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another washer just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to set this down. And I'm going to just, for the sake, because this is a really large piece, so I'm going to go ahead and put another washer in there, okay, just because this is a very, very heavy piece. And then I'm going to take my toggle, and then I'm going to take that toggle probably halfway down, okay? I'm going to take it halfway down the petal. All right, and then I'm going to take my orb that already has a hole in it, and I'm gonna push that right in just like that, and I'll pull it back out, and you can see that it's taken the toggle. Then I'm gonna turn this over just like this. Oops, be careful. And then I'm going to take my screwdriver. I'm gonna make sure that it's in the forward position, which it does say forward, and I'm gonna proceed to tighten it. And I'm going to grab that orb on the back side to give it some tension, just so that it will tighten accordingly. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Phillips head and finish tightening, just like that. into it. And there we go. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Absolutely love it. Now, this I would put on a mount. I do not have a mount in here today. Everything is still upstairs in boxes in my studio. But this would be a wall mount, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a wall mount, like I said, in an up and coming video. So yeah, that is a 4-piece. This is a hibiscus supporting plate, and this is just a golden flower petal followed by a multicolored red flower petal followed by a multicolored orb. And then I can see it from the side, and then let me turn it over to the back. Isn't that absolutely incredible? I absolutely love it. It's just so beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed it. Okay, folks, here is the final look at the garden glass flower. It's a red and golden multicolored orb garden glass flower. It's a 4-piece. There it is from the side, and then from the rear. And this is such a show-stopping piece. I think it's absolutely incredible. So I hope that you have enjoyed it here today. If you have any questions, you can email me at my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. If you're interested in purchasing any of these pieces, you can also find them on my website at www.zodicatthefarm.com. All right, I hope you have a blessed day and a blessed weekend, and I hope to see you next time here at Zodicath at the Farm. Many blessings sent your way. Take care. Bye-bye.